CPA REG Exam Questions 2026 Taxation and Regulation. The Confidence System. CPA Candidates Need. CPA REG isn't just another section. It's the exam that tests whether you can think like a real tax and business law professional under pressure. Tight time, tricky wording, heavy rules, and simulations that punish weak understanding. Most candidates don't fail because they're not smart. They fail because their preparation isn't structured, simulation-ready, and consistent. That's exactly why Zain Academy's CPA Taxation and Regulation (REG) Exam Questions 2026 was built to turn confusion into clarity and anxiety into confidence. Fast. What you get. Features. Massive exam-focused practice bank. 1,300 MCQs to master concepts, traps, and AICPA-style thinking. 80. Document review simulations (DRS) to sharpen document-based decision-making. 87 task-based simulations, TBS, to build real exam execution skills. Built-in CPA exam guide section. A dedicated CPA exam guide inside the book, packed with tips, tricks, and strategy. So you don't just study more, you study smarter. Integrated printable PDF, optimized for every screen. Clean, readable, and optimized for all screen sizes. Integrated format for smooth studying, not messy scattered files. Printable if you prefer paper-based revision. Lifetime access, no restrictions. Access as long as you wish. No time limit, no device restrictions. Complimentary mentorship until you pass. This isn't buy and goodbye. You get Zain's support and guidance complimentary until you pass. Ask unlimited questions via WhatsApp or email. Get clarity when you're stuck before frustration kills momentum. Free sample access. You can explore the free sample first, so you know the quality before committing. Benefits. You stop guessing and start scoring. Most candidates do random MCQs and hope it works. REG punishes that. This book trains you to identify patterns, avoid exam traps, answer with certainty. You become simulation ready. MCQs help you learn. DRS plus TBS help you pass. If simulations scare you, this book is your confidence builder, step by step. You save time, money, and mental energy. No expensive classes. No scattered resources. No, which material should I trust? You follow a clear system. 3 hours daily plus 6 hours weekends for 3 months, and your progress becomes predictable. You study without fear. REG stress feels like, I forget everything. TBS will destroy me. I don't know what AICPA wants. This book replaces that fear with structure, repetition, exam logic, and support when you need it. Why CPA candidates? Choose this book. Pain points answered. If you're tired of studying for weeks but still feeling unprepared, getting confused by tax rules and business law details, failing to convert knowledge into TBS performance, wasting money on resources that don't feel exam real, studying alone with nobody to ask when stuck, then this is for you. Because passing CPA REG isn't about reading more, it's about practicing the right way with real support. Power guarantee. When you commit to the recommended study routine and use the REG Exam Questions 2026 consistently, you won't just hope to pass, you'll feel prepared, supported, and confident. Zain Academy is designed to deliver 100% confidence, support, and a guaranteed 90% result mindset, because your success is the mission. Bonus, upgrade your REG preparation with the study guide 2026. Want an even faster, deeper mastery track? Pair this with the CPA REG study guide 2026, which includes key learning outcomes, questioning mind study points, practical examples, memory aids, and mnemonics. Truth, false, fill in the blanks, one-word answers, matching questions, and mind maps. So you don't just practice, you understand and retain. Final word, don't just study. REG, train to pass it. If REG feels heavy, uncertain, or overwhelming, this is your turning point. Zain Academy's CPA REG Exam Questions 2026 gives you the volume you need, the simulation training you can't ignore, the strategy you've been missing, and support until you pass. You're not alone in this journey, and you don't have to repeat REG again.